Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to hide story from specific people on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you need to open or launch your Instagram application and then select that specific story or picture that you want to add to your story here. For example, I'm going to add this picture from my gallery to my Instagram story. Then I should post first the picture and set this to public. So tap on next and then post the picture. Now what you're going to do here is you have to click again or view your picture and wait as it is already posted. Once done, you have to click the three dots below at the bottom right corner and then look for edit, or let's just say edit story settings. Tap this one. Here in the edit story settings, you will see this hide story from. And what you're going to do here is to select that specific person or people that you want to hide your story from. And as you can see, even if you hide this to someone and not set this to close friends, if you go back, it's still on the public or friends view, not close friends view. And basically, that's how easy it is to hide story from specific people on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.